Iawo, Cadochi cu Deporte.
Bueno, oggi non sta qui por di via Floralina con, non so se fin di semana grandi di Interpasso. Tacchi come sta fin di semana qui, pagosa di evento grandi, di Matu 60 che poi sta compitiendo. A ver come se fuori Trimpang Basarato passare, ya tenían competencia, pero bien que nan join us, pagosa di evento di Interpasso 2014. Pero nostro banda Thomas Anderson di University Sport Program está evaluando diferentes deportistas jóvenes y está dando una recomendación en la universidad de América para un scholarship. A mira, dos jóvenes tenistas treinen un juega y a mira que no tienen hobby potencial. A llaman a mayores, conversar con ellos, explicarán todo detalle de un scholarship.
Today we saw two players, a younger version, 14-year-old kid that we liked a lot. He has a lot of talent, Kevin. And then we saw Christian, who is a 17-year-old that also has a lot of talent. So we're very happy. Today we saw two good players. With the older one, we're going to start working very soon and trying to help him. With the younger one, he still has time, so he needs to develop. But hopefully we could work with him very soon.
It's a combination to get a college scholarship for the study and for the sports, how it is.
Exactly. You get a scholarship because of you're an athlete, so you could get an athletic scholarship. But then again, you got to be a student. Academics comes first, so they give scholarship for good students who have good grades.
And is a stress on that? Yeah. Stress on other points?
Yes, the stress is on academics. You're first a student athlete, and you got to get admitted into university. You got to take several tests to measure your academic level. And once you are admitted and you have the academic level, then they look at your athletic level to see if you can make the team.
The explanation you give to the kids and the parents, they understood what you mean about both of them?
Yeah, I mean, when we have meetings with kids, and we have had some examples from Aruba, Wyatt Lovera, Franz Cito, Evian Hodgson. Those three kids were clients of us, and when we started working with them, they were very excited about playing college tennis. They wanted to be a good university, and from the beginning, we made sure they fulfill all the academic level, get good grades, get a good GPA, get their SATs, and they did it. And today, all three of them are playing for very good universities, and they got good scholarships through their tennis.
Para tu deporte tem roupa exigência para llegar na remarque para un scholarship.
Well, the way it works is like this. You first see them as an athlete. Okay, so Saturday, we're going to watch them play baseball. Okay, we're going to pick the best baseball players, pitchers or shortstop. We like you. We think you can play college baseball. So now we're going to sit down and make an interview. Okay, let me see your grades. Let me see your English. Let me see your academics. Then we want to find them as a person. Are they disciplined? Are they good kids? Have they been in trouble? So that's the progress. So once we get all three things, then we know if we could help them. And as soon as Saturday, if we see a good baseball player that has everything, we'll give him a scholarship.
So you're going to check all the background from the youths, from the kid coming up till the year 16, 17 now.
Yes, yeah, we have to. Because we don't want to send a kid to a coach who is a problem kid. Maybe he's the best pitcher in Aruba, and he gets there and he doesn't go to class, or he fights with his teammates. We don't want that. They have to be a good kid, a good student, and then a good baseball player too.
Instructor de tenis Johnny Goitia também com ambos jovens tem potencial para lograr um scholarship.
Dos puchunan ko na tira bistri ba ja awe ko ta creação no dia Caviar Saharai. Nanta dos tenistas diferentes com boa capacidade e não tenho dúvida de na banda para não poder mais leu. Kevin do muito amor seguro, coração grande, é fighter. Cresce muito com bom man, tem hobby variação riba cancha, po slice, po drop shot, po tudo o qual tenista pode assim, pero mas ser mais consistente. Seguro dois jogadores Kevin Saharai acaba riba viajamento representando Aruba. Cresce no dia não há oportunidade ainda, mas se torneio na cerca, está viajando, fazendo seu best representando Aruba também.
Tanto é que mais roupa e disciplina, com andosta.
Seguro. Já Saharai sua disciplina está roupa bom. Eta gai hopi saki que quer. Ora chega foi escola, eta traz seu huiswerk, eta prepara su termo, klapa bij training. Actualmente eta trein com Claudio. Eu não sei com quem mais é trein, pero com Claudio seguro me sabe trein. Eta um ex-aluno de mim para basta anos, mas comecei com ele também tem 5 anos. Obadia eta trein com Eddie. Disciplina e tinko bij começar a trabalhar hopi riba gele. Por exemplo, chega na hora, sai uno seguro. Eta depende hopi ainda riba su ouders, etc. Pero se começar vooral para essa mita hai, me se um tique mais zelfstandig de subano. Pero me te quer se lo qual que quer, eta hin quer na sua cabeça, eta lo grepa. Se tu muito hambre por.
E você lo estimule?
Seguro, não está aí para